Hello, good morning everyone. Today let us discuss International Auditing Assurance subject. Previously I already discussed in a class 2 unit. Now let us go for unit number 3. In the subject exclusively finance specialization student, final year BCom student. Now let us start the session. Unit number 3. You have one concept, internal control. So in an auditing subject, we have a two controlling methodology which can use for the reliable financial reporting purpose, Indian Accounting Standard Board or Auditing Board, controlling over efficiency of the management as an organization to controlling the all the process. Okay. So firstly, let us discuss what is the meaning of internal control. Internal control, as defined in accounting and auditing, is a process for assuring achievement of an organization objective in operational effectiveness and efficiency, reliable financial reporting, and compliance with law, regulation, and policies. A broad concept, internal control, involves everything that control risk to an organization. Yeah, broadly, is it is telling that ultimately we have to controlling the capacity as well as efficiency and effectiveness of the financial reporting. To majorly, they have to be controlling over the internal controlling system has to be maintained through auditing as well as accounting system. So in an accounting system, we have a two methodology which can use for the control. One it is manual, another one it is technical. Manual, all of you know that the day-to-day expenditure or day-to-day transaction to be maintained the books of accounts. Nowadays, recently upgrading the all the software system. That software system only that internal control system as well as database system as well as accounting software systems. So these systems majorly controlling our efficiency as well as organizational objectives, operationals has to be controlled with the use of laws, regulations, and policies. So that thing only we have in that in this chapter. And what is the major accountant role play and what is the auditor role play ultimately or controlling the each and every systems. So now let us go for another content. You have the five component of internal control. So we have some component how to control in the whatever the in the internal control system. So firstly, the control environment we have. We have a huge business environment. We have like government, social, economical, either it is demographical, geographical, as well as there are so many awareness to the impact of the controlling system. So that thing only how as an auditor to understanding the whatever the controlling system or understanding the whatever the control environment later on it which is applied for the each and every one internal control systems. Firstly, let us discuss the first component we have the internal control environment. It focuses largely on the attitude, awareness, and actions of those responsible for designing, implementing, and monitoring internal control. Control environment with the relevant when the auditor obtaining and understanding include the following. So whatever the controlling system that has to be covered, communication or ethical values, commitment on competence, participants those charged with the governance, management philosophy and operational style, organizational structure, assignment of authority and responsibility, and last one, human resource policies and practices. So these are all the major controlling system in our within a organization. Why? Because of these are all the major organizational activities as to be considered relevant as an auditor to be understanding the each and every one commitment and communication and each and every roles and responsibility of human resources. So that's why only the first environment has to be must and should be control over. The second thing, the risk assessment process. The risk assessment process depending upon the nature or size of complexity of organization. For example, in the nature of business basis, they also assessing the risk as well as leverages has to be considered. Suppose the company as a facing the heavy risk, that risk you have to identifying and assessing the how you people are controlling our internal systems like. So that thing only has to be considered in the second component. Now let us go for third component, the information system. The information system relevant to financial reporting objectives include all the procedures and records which are designed to initiate, record, process and report transactions, maintenance accountability, resolve or incorrect processing of transaction, process and account for system overhead, transfer information of the general nominal ledger, capture information relevant to the financial reporting for other event and condition. Ensure the information required to be disclosed approximately reporting. The information system majorly controlling the whatever the day-to-day reporting transaction as well as accountability as well as assets, liability, equity, accounting system has to be transferred. Generally, the financial reporting majorly to be maintained the information as well as databases basis. So that thing only has to be all the conditional wise which have to be controlled. The next fourth one it is control activities. The control activities include all policies and procedure designed to ensure that management directors are carried out through the organization. Example, a specific control activity include those relating to authorization, performance review, information processing, physical control, segregation of duties. So these are the major will be the controlling the human resources related. For example, human resources in that level of management, lower level, upper level, either it is middle level management, people has to be control over. So in the format of authorization or performance or physical control, these are all the things will be that following the controlling activity. And next fifth component, monitoring of control. This is the process of assessing the effectiveness of control over time and taking necessary remedial action. Clearly, if a control is not implemented properly or simply considered ineffective in this, misstatement may pass undetected into the financial system. Ultimately, the each and everyone has to be monitored. Monitor in the sense of necessary remedial actions, whatever the requirement and whatever the implementations. So these are all the basically you have to be controlling the monitoring of control system. So these are all the major five component of in your internal control system. This is a generally it will be controlling over each and every one organizational components. For example, accounting, human, man, machinery, resources. These are all the things that has to be controlled. In these controlling system, ultimately, clearly they are given in the, as an auditor as to be responsible person. Next to components, next to content, we let us discuss auditor record internal control system. As an auditor, how to record the whatever the controlling system, what are the major objectives has to be performed. This committee has the sponsoring organization of Trade Way Commission, COSO. COSO means Committee of Sponsoring Organization of the Trade Way. So defines process affecting board of director management and other personally designed to provide reasonable assurance regarding achievement of objective purpose. Let us go for one by one as an auditor of the record itself. First thing, identifying control. Before documenting internal control, auditor identify them will the consider relevant objective risk entity process level management establishes internal control response to risk whether reviewed or opportunity uncertainty hazards. Control environment, risk assessment, control activities, information and communication monitoring. So these are all the things we already know that component basis. whatever the controlling system and which manner you has to be controlled, that will be considered in the identifying control. Second one, it is control objective. The control objective basically completion as well as accuracy, validity, restricted access. So these are all the things only has to be a controlling objective in a variety document, including the organization, mission statement, strategic plan, business plan, and budget. So these are the major control objective to be maintained by as an auditor. Now let us go for third thing, documentary controls. To document internal control effectively, internal auditor must understand the flow of transaction, including 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 how transaction are interacted how transactions are interacted and processed, and reporting auditor must also identify the document of the risk. So basically, the each and every documentary control has to be considered. And the fourth one, it is documentary risk and control metrics. Risk and control metrics link control which control objective and related risk. They are designed to both document risk and control and to facilitate evaluation of the design and effectiveness of the control system. So this is the another one of the risk control metrics. Policies and procedure manual. So what are the policies that has to be imposed or framework as well as accounting standard board as well as they are clearly they are giving the guideline for specific organization or specific business strategy or business field. So that policies have must and should be following that. And finally, sound documentation. Best practice include use flowchart, narrative, description, ICQA, risk control metric, the review enterprises policy procedure, manual and relevant documentation. The sound documentation means what are the major information you have to be fully loaded in the databases. So that databases has to be compulsory, you have to be preparing that. So that reason only you has to be considered in the internal control system as well as documentary control as well as sound policy determinations. So these are all the things only you have to be considered identifying control and as well as auditor record internal control system. So remains you have to will continue in next class. That content you have another one content you have types of documentation. Thank you.